Hi, thanks for watching this tutorial on the orthodontics module in Practice Web. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to enable and set up orthodontic features, separate orthodontic data and set insurance benefits, bill orthodontic procedures, and chart orthodontic visits and treatment. Enable and set up orthodontic features. In Practice Web, on the top left main menu where Setup is, you can access the Ortho option. The topmost option of Show Auto Ortho in Account module, and right below it, Show Auto Ortho Information in the Ortho chart, displays the Auto Ortho tab. This displays when the patient started ortho treatment, how many months they're going to be expected to be in treatment, and how many months they've been in treatment so far. If applicable, claim submission frequency is also indicated. The Mark Claims as Ortho if they have ortho procedures enables the checkbox on the claim that says this is an ortho procedure. It also auto-inputs the date of placement and the months in treatment. Use the first ortho procedure date as a date of placement. If you enable this, the date that the first ortho procedure code was charged out will be indicated as the first day that the patient started treatment. The default months in treatment option is where you can indicate the typical total number of months a patient is usually in ortho treatment with your practice. This date can be modified in the Account module under the Auto Ortho tab. The Show Ortho Chart in Appointment options allows you to go into the Appointments module and to right-click and go to the Ortho Chart. The Patient Clones feature allows you to use a clone account to separate your orthodontic data from your general dentistry data. This allows you to create a completely separate account of your existing general dentistry patients. The default Ortho Auto Proc is the procedure code for follow-up visits after the initial ortho code is completed. This is only used if the insurance plan requires that a claim be generated for every subsequent visit that they will cover. You can use the ellipses to modify the code that shows up in the Auto Ortho claims. The Consolidate Ortho Insurance Payment allows a prompt to enter payment on the original claim instead of the Auto Ortho claims. The Ortho Chart display fields is a shortcut to setting up your ortho chart, which is usually accessible under the Chart module's toolbar. The ortho placement procedures are the codes that you want to be considered as a date of placement or the initial charge. The Ortho Case Procedures allows you to display the Ortho Case tab in the Account module, and it is most helpful for any transition ortho accounts or presenting ortho treatment plans. Separate orthodontic data and set insurance benefits. If you choose to not use the ortho chart within your general dentistry account for your patient, the patient clone feature is an option. Again, this is optional, and what it does is it creates a patient clone from the existing general dentistry account, and thus it separates the data. The patient clone carries over all of the patient's information, including the insurance plan information. Within the insurance plan, if you double-click, there is an Ortho tab where you can indicate the ortho claim type, the default Ortho Auto Proc, and the associated fees, as well as the Auto Proc period. You can also enable the wait 30 days before creating the first automatic claim option. Enter in ortho insurance benefits in the Edit Plan information window through double-clicking of the Benefit Information section. There, you can input the lifetime max, the percentage coverage, and any age limits for ortho. Bill orthodontic procedures. Once you have completed the orthodontic initial charge, in this case a D8080, you can create the initial claim. Within this claim, it will be marked as ortho and indicate the dates of placement, the months total, and months remaining. The Auto Ortho tab next to the Patient Account tab displays, again, the ortho information, the claim frequencies, as well as any date for placement, remaining, and treatment. If you have your insurance plan set up to create an initial plus periodic claim, you can use the Auto Ortho Claim feature. The Auto Ortho Claim feature creates periodic claims after the initial claim for any subsequent visits. In this case, because a D8670 was completed on this account, we can go under the Tools section, select Ortho Auto Claims, and here see any patient accounts that need to have a claim generated for that completed procedure, using the Select All option if you wanted to do that in a batch method, and clicking the Generate Claims allows you to process in the Account module. The Ortho Case feature is best used for transition treatment or presenting the ortho treatment plan. It is triggered by the ortho case procedures listed in the ortho setup. This allows you to also create a dynamic payment plan once the procedure is completed, and it also displays the ortho schedule. Additionally, payment plans can be used with ortho procedures. You have two types: an insurance payment plan that you can set up once you receive the initial insurance payment, as well as a patient's portion payment plan. The Ortho Chart feature, if you choose to not use a patient clone, displays an overview of the ortho case, and you can customize fields to track ortho-related information. Here you can also set up provider signatures for the notes created. This is most easily accessible from the Appointments module and right-clicking on the selected patient's appointment to open up the menu to go to the Ortho Chart. To the right of the Ortho Chart, using the drop-down, you do have the option of making any additional tabs more readily accessible. This completes our overview on the Orthodontics module in Practice Web. You can see more tutorials and webinars on www.practice-web.com. And if you have any questions about something not covered, please call support at 800-845-9379 option 2, or feel free to email us at support@practice-web.com.